Hey English speakers, what's happening? So I got a question asking what's the difference between I have lived in Japan, using the present perfect, and I have been living in Japan, the present perfect continuous tense. I think that's what it's called. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, the point is, one has the ing form of the word, the other one has the past participle form of the word. I have lived in Japan, I have been living, and you're using the been particle as well. So what's the difference between these two? If I say I have lived in Japan for 1 year, you know that, these crows want to be in the video too, you know that I have lived in Japan for 1 year. You know that at some point in my life, in the past, I have spent 1 year in Japan. But if I say I have been living in Japan for 1 year, then from that sentence, you know for sure that I am still living in Japan, that right now I am still living in Japan, and it has been 1 year since I first got here. So the difference between these two is that when you use the ing, it implies that you are still doing that activity, whatever it is you're talking about. Been living means you're still living there. Been studying, if you say I've been studying English for 10 years, then you're still studying English right now. So that's the difference. Whereas if you say I have studied English for 10 years, or I have lived in Japan for 1 year, it just means that you have done that. We don't know from this sentence if you're still doing it now. You could be doing it now, or you may have stopped doing it at some point in the past. In other words, when you use the I have done, or I have lived, I have studied form of the sentence, we don't know if you're still doing it now or not. You could be, you may not be, all right? Hope that answers the question. That was a really long, detailed, waffly answer to the question. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.